Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 6 Chapter 11 Exercise 11C question number 2. So this is again the first part. It is draw the following angles using the inner counterclockwise scale of the protractor, right? Just simply it is saying you have to use the inner scale, okay, and using that you have to make what? The angles. So this one right here, right, this scale, the numbers written on the inside. So I'll make these angles. First step is how do you make an angle? See, what you need to do, you keep your angle at you keep your protractor here at some place, right? And what you do here is, first of all, you take and draw a point, a simple point, right? Let me see, where should I draw the point? Okay, somewhere right here. Okay, I'll take it little below only, right? So this place here, I draw the point, and after drawing the point, what I'll do, so after making the point, what you need to do is you need to make a ray, okay, a ray from this point that will come here, from here, a straight ray, maybe a little more, right? That should be fine, I guess. Okay, and after making the ray, what you need to do, you need to keep us again back at this point. See, now along with the ray you have to align it. This is 90, you have to see the inner scale. 0 is already marked, only you need to find 50 on the inner scale, because first part is 50, this is part A, right? 50 degrees. So look for this point and put a dot here as well, right? If that is correct, right, like that. Done. Now what you need to do is simply extend this way. This new ray you will form from the same point, okay, and you will take it here, extend it, okay. If you want, you can give the names also, okay. Let's say this is A, this is O, this is B, although it's not needed. If you want, you should give the names, actually that's important. And here you can write 50 degrees, mark it here as well, okay. Next part is what? 75 degrees. Same way you'll do, I'll make it over here as well, part B, right? I have to make 75 degrees here. So what I'll do, see, this way right here. Again, first of all, you'll make one point right here, somewhere here. This should be fine, okay, a straight point like this with the pencil, okay. And then again you need to take your scale here and make a ray with it. So it should be something like this. That's better, right? And then you have to take your protractor back again here. You have to look now for 75 on the protractor. See here carefully, 70 is here in the inner scale, right? And you have to make 75. So count the small divisions: 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, and finally 75. This part right here, it is 75. You can mark it here, right? Now very simple, the point is made. Again you can just make a ray out of it, draw it like this, okay, here and here a little more, that should be fine. This is an angle of what degrees? 75 degrees, right? Again, if you want, you can give it a name. I'll give it a name as well, P Q R, fine. Now see the next part of this question, okay. So what does it have to say here in the next one? If we have to make an angle C, an angle C of exactly 120. So see here we have 125 degrees up next, right? Let me see till where should I make it here, somewhere, right? This should be fine, okay. So we'll make this point right here only. I'll do part C as well here, okay. So right here we'll be making the next angle. Again, this is the C part. Now you have to make 125. First of all, make the base ray, right? So you can make it as long as you want. It is up to you, but I advise you should go 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, because an angle is not larger than that, and if you are short of space, then you should make it smaller. Now see here, take this protractor once again, align it with the ray that you have made, put it on this center point, and again look for 125. I said 125 is not going to be here directly, so you have to look on the subdivisions. Okay, 110, 120, so all these readings are in multiples of 10. You want a multiple of 5. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you will just count the subdivisions: 121, 122, 123, 124 and 125 here. You can mark it, take your ruler and join. Put the arrows, make it a ray, indicate this is 125 degrees. You can again give the names to these points. Let's say this is X, this is Y, this point right here is W. So we have made an angle of 125 degrees. Next one, I'll be doing part D here. Right, we have to make an angle of exactly 153 degrees, right? So again, I'll align it. Make sure you take enough space for your angles, right? You should not run out of space, so choosing the space is very important, right? I think this is perfect. Let's put a point here, right? And now we have 153 degrees, right? Let's see here, 153. First we'll take the ruler again, and along the point we'll create a ray, right? From this 0, right? A ray here. Clear? Done. Now along this ray you have to align this, and you have 153 degrees. So 140, 150. Again you have to count the subdivisions, so count with me: 150, 151, 152, 153. So this one right here, it's 153 degrees. You can join the two together. Okay, here we go, and boom. So this is joined. You have it here, 153 degrees. All right, again let's give this one a name as well. So I'll say this is CDE. All right, now this is done, right? Now since I'm running out of space on this page, we'll move to the next one. You have part E, which is the last one here of the first part. This is 160 degrees, right? So I'll switch the page here, right, and we'll make a 160 degree angle. That will be the end of this video, right? E, we have 160 degrees, right? No need to write that labeling, it doesn't matter. Again you have to see this as only, right? Let me erase this. Only you need to see, first of all, make a point, right, at a suitable place somewhere here. This should be fine. Take your ruler again, put it along the way, make a ray all the way, right? And take this ruler now, the protractor, keep it on this point. We have to make 160 degrees. So again see here, 150, 160 is directly there on the, just mark it. Okay, there might be a very minute error here in this video, because since I'm making it, it's a bit slanted, so I can't see this carefully, but you should not make any errors. You should be very careful with your readings. Even 1 degree will change the answer and you might become wrong. And now join the two here, right, just like that. And this is of 160 degrees, right? Let's give this one here as well a name, right? So this is S, this is T, this is U, let's say. All right, and that's it. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.